Hello everyone, I'm Brock Jameson with the Tire Ball Company. Today we're going to demonstrate installation on a utility ATV and UTV vehicle. We have an ITP Baja Cross tire. It's a 26.9 by 12 tire. We have a 12 by 6 standard non-beadlock wheel that we're going to be mounting the tire balls in today. This particular wheel does have a rolled edge on it to help eliminate the tire coming off the rim if it's deflated. First, we want to go over some of the components and tools that we have needed for the installation. Got them laid out here on the table. First, we have that you're going to need is some sandpaper, and what we use the sandpaper for is to eliminate any burrs that you might find on the rim. We also have silicone lubricant that we have provided in the kits, and what this does is this is applied to the inside of the tire carcass as well as the tire balls to eliminate any sort of chafing. We also recommend rubber gloves to use while you are applying the silicone. That way it doesn't get all over everything. We have some inflation tools here. Now we've got a couple of different options on inflation tools. We have a single inflator manual pump that we use that is recommended for motorcycle tire balls. We have a single cell inflator recommended for our individual customers. This particular tool hooks up to an air hose. It regulates the pressure, and then the gauge reads the pressure inside of the tire balls. But today the tool that we're going to be using is our multi-port inflation regulator. And it actually hooks to an air hose, regulates the pressure, and then we have 16 different ports. The ports have toggle switches that are two-way toggle switches. Away from the hose is on and towards the hose is off. And what we do is we're able to hook up all the tire balls at once, turn the toggle switches on, and air them up all uniformly at one time. Once we're done inflating the tools, we'll be going to mounting, and we actually have a couple of options here on tire irons. We use a few different kinds. We recommend that you do have some longer tire irons so you're able to get good leverage. The last thing that we have is our Bessie clamp, and what the Bessie clamp does is it acts as a bead. It seats the bead down into the rim recess, which takes the tension off, allowing you to mount it. With this particular installation today, we're going to do a manual install. So we do have a coax mounting machine here, which is basically just going to be used to hold the rim, and then we're going to mount the tire on the rim manually. So now that we have the tools and everything in place, we're going to prep the tire and rim and start the installation.